Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product out of stock on Shopify. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select products. After selecting products, you're going to select the product that you'd like to make out of stock. So for example, if I were to select preview on online store, you can see that this product is currently available, and you can see right here, if I were to tap on add to cart, it automatically adds it to the cart. Now, if we were to go back on my admin page, select the same product, all we'll need to do to make it out of stock is scroll down, and right where you see available inventory right here, the quantity, you can tap on available or you can select on an. And you just want to select 0 right where you see new, and you're going to tap on save. After you have done that and the changes have been saved, if we were to tap on preview once more, once you have selected preview, you can see right there it now says sold out, as you can see right there. And if we were to go to the home page, you'll also see the sold out icon, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button